Now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the Doritos guacamole flavor. These look like a Shrek advertisement.
Yeah, this is Shrek ketchup flavored Doritos.
They look pretty well seasoned. Very green.
But like avocado green.
Yeah, or like moldy green.
Guacamole green.
It's got a good guacamole flavor. Kind of wish there was more, I don't know, maybe lime? It's like the flavors for guacamole are there, but they're highlighting aspects of guacamole you wouldn't expect.
Yeah, that's a good way of putting it.
I was expecting more lime.
It tastes like cilantro.
Kind of mild.
I was just thinking that. I was like, I feel like it needs something else.
I think I need a little bit more.
I feel like I've had to eat 100 of them just to like get a flavor.
And you know it's 14 calories a chip. I'm kind of feeling a 3 for those.
I think it's a low 3. Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, they're all right.